Hi there, you're watching Fish Finally, where we aim to bring you up to date on the latest and best in the world of fishing, from essentials like fish finders, fishing rods and reels, to accessories like fishing gloves or backpacks. We have something for everyone. We test them in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For a fishing enthusiast looking for helpful buying guides, nothing could be better than Fish Finally.
If you are an angler looking to up your fishing game, you need to take a serious look at upgrading to a bait casting rig. Here we have made a video guide with the 10 best baitcaster combo out there for your convenience. Any one of these combos will give you a memorable experience, so choose whichever one strikes your fancy.
Next up on our list is something you should really give a shot. It has really attractive features and great value for the money.
Number 10. Abu Garcia Baitcaster Combo. Do you need the best baitcaster combo for your convenience? No pressure. This Abu Garcia Baitcaster combo is the best answer to your concern. The Abu Garcia is a standout amongst other baitcaster combos on the lookout. The complete package of value and class-leading features. The combos feature high-quality 30-ton rod blanks topped off with durable stainless steel guide frames and comfortable EVA handles. It performs well for a variety of lures and sizes and is easily adjustable. The reel features 7 stainless steel ball bearings plus 1 roller bearing that provides smooth operation. The alloy frame for increased corrosion resistance. It has a carbon matrix hybrid drag system for super smooth reliable drag performance. Duragear brass gear for extended gear life. It provides a more efficient gear system while improving gear durability. Moreover, this Abu Garcia Baitcaster combo is perfect for almost any saltwater or freshwater fishing condition, whether you're trout fishing, bass fishing, kayak fishing, or surf fishing. Number 9. Piscifun Baitcaster Combo. If you're just starting and want a good all-around type rod and baitcaster, Piscifun Torrent bait casting rod and reel combo with pole storage bag is the best choice. The Piscifun Baitcaster combo features a composite of graphite and fiberglass. It creates a well-balanced yet powerful bait casting rod that is virtually unbreakable. The Piscifun Baitcaster combo is 2-piece and comes in either 6-foot 9-inch or 7-foot lengths in both medium and medium-heavy power ratings. The lightweight casting fishing rod design feels balanced in your hand. It helps improve your range of movement and keeping fatigue to a minimum. It has an EVA grip handle that offers the firm, comfortable handhold you need to overcome hard-fighting fish. The combo includes a high-speed 7.1:1 bait casting reel that features backlash eliminating 0 to 10 magnetic dial-in settings. It includes the pole storage case for holds everything in the package. The zippered pouch on the bottom side of the case keeps all your stuff safe. A must-have bag for the person who loves to fish. Number 8. Ugly Stik Baitcaster Combo. The Ugly Stik Baitcaster combo combines exceptional strength and durability with an easy-to-use design, which makes fishing accessible, simple, and fun for the whole family. This combo pairs a highly durable Ugly Stik rod with a dependable Shakespeare fishing reel. Modeled after the iconic Ugly Stik, the rod is strong and durable yet balanced for a lighter feel. The Ugly Stik Baitcaster combo is made from stainless steel, aluminum, and graphite by a trusted manufacturer called an Ugly Stik. The fishing rod features 35% more graphite for lighter weight. It is available in several lengths and 1-piece stainless steel guides. The combo also comes with a stainless steel fishing reel that uses a 2-ball bearing system. It also has a machined aluminum ported spool. Moreover, the handle is covered in premium cork. This fishing rod will be perfect for fishing in humid or rainy weather. Number 7. Cadence Baitcaster Combo. This Cadence offers high-performance premium features at an unbeatable value. It manufactures high-quality feature-packed fishing tackle at affordable prices to help you save your hard-earned money. The Cadence is meticulously designed by longtime industry professionals who know performance fishing tackle. The Cadence Baitcaster combo comes with an excellent rod and a high-quality reel. The rod is constructed as lightweight with 24-ton graphite blanks. It has stainless steel guides that are strong corrosion resistant, yet making it more smooth, avoiding line sticking in the guides. The Cadence reel provides exceptional performance housed in a sleek matte black frame. It features a lightweight graphite frame and side plates, 8 corrosion-resistant bearings, a powerful carbon fiber drag system, aluminum crankshaft, hard brass main and pinion gear, externally adjustable magnetic brakes, a machined aluminum spool, and an aluminum spool tension knob. It is built to deliver exceptional sensitivity, durability, and power. The combo is perfect for almost any saltwater or freshwater fishing condition, whether you're trout fishing, bass fishing, kayak fishing, or surf fishing.
Up next, we have a great mid-range model that would give you a satisfactory result all around.
Number 6. Sougayilang Fishing Baitcaster Combo. This Sougayilang Fishing Baitcaster combo is designed for the most popular fishing techniques. The perfect setting for fishing gear entry. It is ideal for game fish including freshwater fish like bass, walleye, and trout. The fishing rod is designed in a knotted mode. It is made of extremely slim carbonized fiber. It is ultra-lightweight and easy to carry, suitable for travel. It comes with a 4-piece rod and easy to disassemble. The sturdy aluminum frame is corrosion-resistant, with stainless steel rails and ergonomic cork handles for the best fishing experience. The baitcasting reel is super light, smooth, and powerful. It has CNC machined aluminum spool with high tensile gear. It has an excellent line lay oscillation system with an ultra-thin streamlined designed body. Moreover, the Sougayilang Fishing Baitcaster combo uses bright blue to inspire you to fish more. Number 5. Luz Baitcaster Combo. Are you searching for the best baitcaster combo for your ordinary use? Try not to stress. Here is the best baitcaster combo sitting tight for you. This Luz Baitcaster combo is perhaps the most ideal decision for you. This baitcaster combo makes certain to carry a grin to your face. The Luz Baitcaster combo is a rod and reel that is ready for duty. The rod comes with premium IM6 high modulus graphite blanks. The reel has a super lightweight graphite frame. It features a 1-piece lightweight graphite frame with 3 drain ports, high-strength solid brass speed gears, 8-bearing system, a 32mm spool, and a 95mm handle with Luz combat grip paddle knobs for full control. Moreover, this combo is sensitive and comfortable to fish with. It is perfect for freshwater bass trout fishing, saltwater fishing, or inshore fishing. Number 4. Tailored Tackle Baitcaster Combo. This tailored tackle baitcaster combo is great for beginner baitcasters and weekend anglers who want to start with the right bass fishing gear. It is designed by Fishing Guides for high performance, and with the exact specs you need to start catching fish. The tailored tackle baitcaster combo comes with a high-performance right-handed baitcaster rod and reel. It is designed by Fishing Guides to give new bass anglers an affordable fishing pole. The length of this rod is 7 foot. The reel comes with 7 ball bearings, fast gear ratio system tuned to the most popular lure speed to baitcast fast. The pole of this combo is made for catching largemouth bass of all sizes throughout the country. It is constructed to provide great performance and presentation while fishing all the popular bass lures and rigs. It improves your casting on this easy-to-use baitcaster reel. The pop-off spool feature lets you easily remove tangles and rat nests from casting mistakes. Number 3. Shakespeare Baitcaster Combo. The Shakespeare Baitcaster combo is one of those names in fishing that are synonymous with quality and angling success. The Shakespeare series is made with more graphite than other ugly stick models to provide a strong rod body with a lighter weight. The fishing rod features a graphite composite construction. It offers excellent strength without losing sensitivity, so you can feel every nibble on the line. The rod has single-piece stainless steel guides for long-lasting and reliable line performance. The tip of this baitcaster uses Shakespeare's clear tip design to provide a strong yet sensitive tip. It will allow you to pick up on the slightest of bites. The reel is a pretty basic 2+1 ball bearing retrieved with a machined aluminum spool. It has a one-way clutch with anti-reverse braking to help prevent backlash and bird nesting. The drag and braking are adjustable to match your style, bait, and skill level. Moreover, this Baitcaster combo is lightweight, while hybrid tech grips help keep the casting rod firmly and comfortably in your hand.
Before we get to the best of the bunch, let's look at the runner-up for today's video.
Number 2. KastKing Baitcaster Combo. This KastKing Crixus fishing rod and reel combo are designed to deliver incredible performance for any budget. Crixus powerful and sensitive IM6 Graphite 2 pieces fishing rod blanks range in power ratings from light to medium heavy in 5 foot 6 inches to 6 foot 6 inches lengths. This KastKing Crixus fishing rod and reel combo come with a 2-piece rod and a reel in a set. It has a power transition system. The fishing reels feature lightweight, carbon-infused frames, CNC aluminum spools, 5+1 double-shielded stainless ball bearings, powerful carbon drags, and many more performance features. These are simply the best value in fishing. The KastKing uses only high-quality stainless steel guide frames with zirconium oxide rings. It delivers long, smooth casts and durable performance with fluorocarbon, monofilament, or braided fishing lines. The super polymer handles are comfortable, durable, and exceptionally slip-resistant. It gives you maximum grip and control over your fishing rod in the wettest conditions.
From performance to price, from design to durability, the last product on our list is the best out of all we've reviewed.
Number 1. Garcia Baitcaster Combo. This Garcia Baitcaster combo pieces together a 7-foot, single-piece, medium-heavy rod and a low-profile bait cast reel for a combination. It will surely give you the advantage you need to wrestle in your catch. The rod of this Baitcaster combo is made from lightweight 24-ton graphite. It allows having the strength and flexibility to fight the biggest fish. The reel comes with a sleek, lightweight design with a one-piece graphite frame and graphite side plates. It has 4 stainless steel ball bearings and 1 roller bearing for reliable operation and effortless retrieval. The Baitcaster combo comes with a power drag system designed to put even the toughest fish through its paces. You are given the benefit of further, more accurate casting thanks to the Magtrax brake system that applies consistent pressure on your line. It is perfect for freshwater bass trout fishing, saltwater fishing, or inshore fishing. Thanks for watching. Was that useful? Like and subscribe for more interesting fishing content. See you soon.